what essentially does is it connects people in countries of conflict based on shared hobbies. So once you log into Facebook, on the right side, it'll say your hobbies, your email, and your country, and it'll connect you with people in countries of conflict who share the same hobbies. So over here you can see how many matches have been made at the bottom, and essentially we're going to try to connect as many people through this platform.
אמור להיות לפני.
Okay, so now once they find someone who's in Iran, for example, and who also likes tennis like me, and we'll both get an email saying you should connect with that person, and then you can start having a dialogue with them. So that's a pretty cool idea. Here is Israel.